The Morrows came into our showroom because they are a repeat homeowner. They did their kitchen with us about 1.5 years ago. They had major concerns with their bathroom because a lot of their neighbors saw leaks. They actually built their home 4 years ago, and they were extremely unhappy with the quality of basically everything.
We were never happy with the builder's grade product. It was always a thorn in our side. We had a very, very good experience pulling out our kitchen 2 years ago and asked Cipriani to come back again to do our bathroom because it was just perfect working with these people. They are the best.
She has dreamed of a glamorous, luxurious bathroom since she was a little girl growing up in New York. She wanted something that was just going to give that absolute wow factor when you walked in. A couple ways that we were able to achieve this: showstopper quartzite that we used on the countertop, but then also the marble floor that runs even into the shower.
Everything was perfect. They took care of everything. We didn't have to sweat it. All the right products showed up in perfect condition, and it was easy. It was easy.
We've done 2 major projects with Cipriani. Both went perfectly.